We're very excited to be bringing you the unboxing of the Nikkor Z 14-30 today. Without further ado, I will open it for you. Let's see what's inside. If you've seen other videos, you'll know that it comes with the obligatory Nikon lens case and the instruction manual. That also has the warranty card printed on the back there. We have the shallow lens hood, which makes sense because it's a wide angle lens, it needs to be shallow. For the main event, this is very exciting. Here it is. So that has a very similar design and size to the 24-70 f4, which comes with the Z cameras at the moment. It's an 82mm front filter thread. You can see there. Very, very big front filter, but at least you can put polarizers on it. And there's the Z mount. Overall, it's very, very well made. And I'm sure a lot of people will be looking forward to using these. I can't turn it! Sorry.